Now we move on to the smoothie, and Tim is making eggs behind me. So I like to start with some cold brew. This makes kind of like a mocha-ish smoothie, and you'll see why in just a sec. And then I add in coconut milk. Add your milk of preference, but for Tim and I, these make decent sized smoothies. I need 1.5 cups of liquid, so coconut milk and cold brew. Going into my Ninja Fruity. And then I add in greens. I like to add spinach and kale, like baby spinach and kale. And I'm going to use the rest of this pack. This is a nutrient-dense smoothie, and it's really delicious, I promise. And then your protein of choice. I have a vegan protein that I really like. It's vanilla. No sugar added. It's by Progressive NutriCare. It's a holistic practice that's in Atlanta, and this is their brand, and I've been using it for years, and I love it. It's meant for digestive health. And then here go all the add-ins, which is kind of crazy, but pepper, and I'll tell you why in just a second, because I'm going to add turmeric. And if you add pepper to turmeric, turmeric is an anti-inflammatory, very powerful. About that much, you'll see that pepper increases the absorption of turmeric by 2,000%. So why would you not add pepper? And it adds a nice kick. And speaking of kick, I also add cayenne. This is kind of a new addition for us, and I really love it. It gives a bit of back of the mouth heat to the smoothie. But cayenne is really good for blood vessel cardiovascular type things. I also add cinnamon. Cinnamon also good for blood sugar regulation. I'm making a mess. All right, and then to make it mocha, this is raw cacao. You could also use cocoa powder if you wanted to, but probably a heaping tablespoon goes in that. And then I've been adding collagen peptides, which I really like. I think it's helping with skin and hair and my joints. I don't have any achy joints. Achy joints? No, thank you. No achy joints. And then, because I made a mess on the countertop, this is going back into my smoothie. And then I need my frozen fruits. And you want to go with the lowest sugar type of fruit. I mean, you can, once in a while I make a mango smoothie. I love them. That's a sweeter fruit. I'm going with berries and cherries, strawberries right there, and I measure with my hand. My hand is a little small. So 2 handfuls of strawberries. It's actually about 1.5 cups of frozen fruit, I'll admit, and then dark cherries. These are a nutritional powerhouse. Sometimes I'll do blueberries. Blueberries are really good brain scrubbers. They're also loaded with iron. Cherries going in. And then just me, I like to add a little bit of ice into this. And then we're going to blend it up. Our smoothie is blended. You can see how smooth this Ninja Fruity. This is a Ninja Fruity hot cold. I love it. I love a glass carafe. And I love that it blends with a consistency that is so smooth like this. Then you just drink. Very mocha-y. It's absolutely delicious. You got to give this a try. And this recipe is on tkfoodie.com.